best high-speed ceiling fan 1200 mm. Number 5. Usha Racer 1200 mm Ultra High Speed 400 rpm ceiling fan. Approx price 1750 rupees. Air delivery 210. Wattage 78 wattage. Ultra high speed of 400 rpm. Designed to perform well even at low voltage. Glossy powder coated superior finish. Superior grade electric steel lamination for improved life. 2 years manufacturer warranty. Number 4. Kini'sKorner Star High Speed Decorative 1200 mm 48-inch anti-rust 400 rpm ceiling fan. Approx price 1362 rupees. 5-star rating star fan. Blade size 1200 mm. Fan speed 400 rpm. High speed. Air delivery 230 cm. Number of speed settings 4/5. Power 74 watts. Voltage 220 to 240 volts. 100% CNC binding. 3 years best in class warranty. Number 3. Crompton Super Bridge Deco 1200 mm High Speed Decorative Ceiling Fan. Approx price 1950 rupees. Sweep 1200 mm. Power consumption 70 watt. Speed 400 rpm. Air delivery 210 cm. Anti-corrosive aluminum blades. Heavy duty 100% copper winding motor. 2-year warranty. Number 2. Crompton Hill Bridge 1200 mm High Speed Ceiling Fan. Approx price 1570 rupees. Sweep 1200 mm. Power consumption 75 watt. Speed 370 rpm. Air delivery 205 cm. 100% copper motor. Durable ball bearings. Powder coated aluminum blades. Minimization of noise. 2-year warranty. Number 1. Atomberg EPCO 1200 mm blades. Energy saving 5-star rated high speed ceiling fan with remote. Approx price 3070 rupees. Only 28 watt at highest speed. 5-star rated blades motor with improved reliability and longevity. Smart remote with boost, sleep and timer mode. Wide operating voltage range of 140 to 285 volts. 2 years on-site warranty. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel.